Iloilo takes its name from Irong-Irong, the old name of the city of Iloilo, a tongue of land that sticks out like a nose on the south of Iloilo River. The Maragtas legend tells the story of Iloilo way back in the 13th century, when Dato Puti and his fellow Datos fled from the tyranny of Sultan Makatunaw of Bruneo and land at the mouth of Siwa Ragan River, now known as the town of San Joaquin, and eventually settled there. Iloilo City holds historical significance as one of the early Spanish colonial centers in the Philippines. Settled in 1566, it was recognized as one of the royal Spanish cities in the country and received the honorific royal title La Muy Lil y Noble Ciudad, or the Very Loyal and Noble City. Iloilo played a significant role as Spanish Empire's last capital in Asia and the Pacific. It was also the capital of the short-lived federal state of the Visayas. Today, the city remains prominent in the country, exerting influence over its history, culture, politics, and economy. Graciano Lopezay was born on December 18, 1856 in Iloilo. He was a journalist, great revolutionary hero, and orator. He is also known as the founder of the fortnightly newspaper La Solidaridad. The Haro Plaza, where you can also find a statue of him, was renamed Garciano Lopezina Park in honor of him. Garciano's birth anniversary is commemorated with a public holiday in the whole Iloilo province. Juan Araneta. General Juan Anacleto Araneta, also known as Don Juan, he was born on July 13, 1852 in Molo, Iloilo, but the Aranetas moved and settled permanently at Negros. Don Juan was one of the leaders of the Negros Revolution, the event that took place on November 5, 1898, known as Cinco de Noviembre. Iloilo is a province of the Philippines, located in the center of the Philippines archipelago. The province comprises the southeastern part of the Panay Island, with island province of Guimaras just across its coast. The capital city of the province of Iloilo is the city of Iloilo, which is also one of the major urban centers in the Philippines. It is nicknamed the Heart of the Philippines. Iloilo is a province in the Philippines located in the Western Visayas region. Its capital and largest city is Iloilo City, the regional center of Western Visayas. Iloilo occupies the southeast portion of the Visayan island of Panay and is bordered by the province of Antique to the west, Capiz to the north, the Hitololo Channel to the northeast, the Guimaras Strait to the east, and the Iloilo Strait and Panay Gulf to the southwest. In addition, according to the 2020 census, the population of province is 2,051,899. Iloilo City had a total 700.34 kilometers and it has 180 barangays. The city was a conglomeration of former towns which are now the geographical districts, composing of Haro, Molo, La Paz, Mandurriao, Villarbaro, and Iloilo City proper. The district of Lapus, a former part of La Paz, was declared a separate district in 2008. People from Iloilo are called Ilonggos. They are known for their charm and sweetness that comes from the musical tonation of their dialect, Ligay. You will not be able to tell if an Ilonggo is mad at you by the way they speak, which always sounds like someone croning a love song to you. Kinaraya, which is a dialect very similar to Hilogaynon, is used in Iloilo's countryside. English and Tagalog are also widely spoken and understood, especially in urban areas. Iloilo is a Roman Catholic predominated province comprising about 87% of the population. Independent Catholic and Protestant churches also exist, such as members of Iglesia Filipina Independiente or Aglipayan Church, Baptist Presbyterians, Methodists, Adventists, and other evangelical Christians. There are also non-Protestant and other Christian sects, such as Iglesia Ni Cristo, Church of Christ of Latter-day Saints, or Mormons, and Jehovah's Witnesses, while non-Christians are usually represented by Muslims, and to a lesser extent, Buddhism and Hindus. The Dinagyang Festival is a religious and cultural festival in Iloilo City, Philippines, held annually on the fourth Sunday of January in honor of Santo Niño, the Holy Child. It is one of the largest festivals in the Philippines, drawing hundreds of thousands to over a million visitors every year. The festival is well known for its Ati Tribes competition, featuring various tribes or tribu performers in Ati warrior costume, presenting traditional choreographed formation, pattern, and rhythmic chanting to the beat of loud drums and improvised percussion instruments that narrate different iterations of history openly. Another highlight is the Kasajahan Festival, where different cultural festivals from various places in Western Visayas come together to compete. The city is the regional hub of education, culinary, religion, healthcare, tourism, culture, industry, and economy in the Western Visayas region. As one of the gastronomic capitals of the Philippines, Iloilo is famous for pancit molo, lapas patchoy, kajus, baboy, and langka or KBL, laswa, and kansi.